YouTube, I got an issue here. Every time I'm loaded in my truck and I'm in 1, 4, or 9, which is this position here, I'm not even going fast, my truck will jump out of fucking gear. They said they took it to the mechanic found nothing wrong with the transmission. But every time I'm in 1, 4, or 9 gear, the fucking truck will jump out. Wait for it, it'll be coming here, hold on. There it goes. Back fully engaged in gear. Not on a hill, I'm on level ground. Damn it! Keeps jumping out of gear on me. It's the most annoying thing ever, man. Let me know what you think, YouTube.